Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
There's a question that is asked at least once a week, and that is, what is in my dock here on Mac OS X? Of course, you may be using Object Dock on Windows, and if not, you may think about it. They just released version 2.0, and if you're thinking about getting Object Dock 2.0 for Windows, I'll see if I can cut you a deal with StarDock. If you're interested, email me, and then I'll see about facilitating that coupon. Either way, I use Mac OS X. The dock comes built into the operating system. Keep it there at the bottom of my screen. You could dock it to either the left or right side of your screen if you wanted to. I hide it automatically. And then if I surface it, you can't see it, so I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly what's in my dock. I've got the Finder, the Mail icon, iCal, my Downloads folder, and Trash. That's it. Honestly, I don't have any great amount of icons. Sorry, you can't see that. The laptop's kind of in the way. Let's see if I can zoom out. There you go. You kind of see some of them. The reason why I don't have a lot of icons in my dock is because I don't really need icons in my dock. I can get to apps really quickly by using Quicksilver or even Spotlight. And 9 times out of 10, I use Spotlight to launch into an application. Sometimes, I on a whim, I'll go and use Quicksilver. Although I tend to use Quicksilver to launch a web page quickly. And Quicksilver's a open source application that basically allows you to hit a keyboard shortcut and then perform an action without actually launching into a utility. It's always running in the background. So I use Spotlight, Quicksilver, and then sometimes the dock. Obviously, if an app is running, it's sitting in the dock. But the reason why I keep these down here, number one, I can't get rid of Finder. I can't get rid of Trash. I often use the Downloads folder, to store files temporarily instead of on the desktop. Of course, if I download something, it's sitting inside the Downloads folder, so it's just convenient to have that there. And iCal keeps the current date in the icon. It says October 17th, today's date as I'm recording this. And then the Mail app icon, the reason why is because frequently I will use VNC to remote back into my Mac if the Mail app crashes and it was running in the background. I can just quickly launch it from the dock. So there you go. It's really not that exciting, but then again, I generally keep a clutter-free desktop, including my dock. So there's the answer to the question, and if you ask me again next year, I can pretty much guarantee it'll be the same amount of icons running in the dock, unless, of course, I have apps running at the time, in which case the dock icon would appear. There's the answer.